Okay guys, last night it got pretty cold down here on the farm, and I left this little old heater running on low in here, and everything's pretty nice this today. I did get up here yesterday and fix this gap over the door. Had a little bit of trouble cutting that mess out, but I got that fixed. Now I can go over that with some plywood and make it look a little better when I get ready. Had a little bit of trouble catching right in here. I had to plane that down with a little hand planer, but door opening and closing pretty good now. But that's had a gap there for long as it's been here, and it turned out pretty well. Now it's a little heater on low keeps it pretty nice in here. It's not 70 degrees, but it's definitely about probably 45 to 50. I need to get me a thermometer and put in here. But today I'm gonna clean this mess out, and then we're gonna start demolishing this old shelf and see how bad it is under it. So we'll get this scrap iron thrown out in a pile, and old wood loaded to take to the dump, and we'll get back and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, got everything cleaned off here and got to set up on the tripod. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to try to bust this junk up with my safety glasses. Probably I'll be wearing a respirator. All this damn roach pellets and egg casings, and I ain't gonna tell what all crap I'm gonna find in here. Let's see how easy it comes up. No, it's gonna bust you too. And find my pry bar. This thing's made, I think it's just 2 sections put together. And old press wood. For nothing. Sawdust. I know y'all can't see nothing. Right there. I'm trying to get to you right there. I'm trying to get between it and the stud, but I think it's just will come up in pieces. Alright, so all we'll do is just grab this thing and yank it up. So, looks like that one just pulled away. It didn't really bust it up. I mean, it didn't pull the nails out of it. It's gonna rot. It's all dry. Just like the sawdust, it's dry rotted. And I don't really see much support on this back side. I may have to do another termite trail. See what I'm doing. That whole back and ain't nothing supporting down. Nothing at all. We're going to have to do some major surgery right here. Reframe this thing. And get this up nail. Chink. I'm just going to start in the middle. belt right here. Get out. Might be a little more solid in the middle. What I'm hoping for. Got it loose there. There. Now it's just this one end here that's damn rotten. And it's just shot to shit. Maybe I can pull it up. Got a gas line. It's kind of in my way. That ain't attached to shit. That really wasn't what I wanted to do. Hey, hard legs. Well, let me take this outside. I'm going to be right back. Well, guys, here's what I'm dealing with. I believe this one right here might have some support down there in the corner. These two, I don't think got any support. This is the sill plate we replaced right here. You can see the big gap we left. But we replaced both sill plates under here when we did the siding. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take these 2x4s out. And what I want to do is build another 2x4 go down the side with these, where these can attach. I'll get me some joist hangers, attach them with them. And as you can tell, this table top really ain't got no support other than the back wall, so I'm going to stick me a 2x4 or a 2x2 or something right down here and make a leg support the tip end of this table. But I got lots of clean up to do. I got holes all in this mess, critter holes, dirt. Looks like they come back and tried to put some concrete on the side of this thing. But anyway, the rest of the day I think I'm just going to finish tearing this down and cleaning out from under it. And I'm going to have to get some 2x4s. I'm going to pressure treat 2x4s under it. I got to get me some foam, spray foam that hole right there, keep the critters out. Lots of work to do in here. So okay guys, got it all cleaned out. About 2 buckets of 5-gallon buckets of dirt here, but we've got a problem. Evidently when they built this foundation they didn't go very deep with it. It looks like they just set the blocks on the ground in a pile of cement. And I believe that that right there is the dirt, the earth. So what I'm gonna have to do is come in here, build a form, and backfill some concrete in here, maybe a couple of bags of Quikrete, at least back up to here and down through here. You know, it might end up going all the way down to here, because that's right on the dirt too. Excuse me. So that's the reason all that dirt was there, was to keep it from washing out from underneath with the big rain. So I think that's what I'm going to do, just get some 1x4s and build a little L shape here. I'll probably even take off this this leg right here, cut it off above the concrete block there, and I don't know if I want to go all the way out to here or not, but most definitely underneath anyway. You know, that's all earth, and any little water that comes through there is going to wash out from under it. So it looks like they parsed over the block there to try to keep the water from washing in, but it's still, in good rain, it still gets wet up under here, and it actually goes all the way up under here too. This is all sitting on earth, so ain't a whole lot I can do for it there, but I get a couple bags of Quikrete, some 2x4s, and some plywood, and that won't be too long to have this back together. So anyway, stay tuned for more. Appreciate you watching.